expand this 1 plus 3x raised to power 5. Hence, by using the first 4 terms of the expansion, evaluate 0.97 raised to power 5. So let us expand. So this would be 1 raised to power 5. 3x will be raised to power 0 plus 1 raised to power 4. 3x raised to power 1 plus 1 raised to power 3. 3x raised to power 2 plus 1 raised to power 2. 3x raised to power 2, 3 plus 1 raised to power 1. 3x raised to power 4. And then finally 1 raised to power 0. 3x raised to power 5. A number raised to power 0 is 1. So here we are going to have 5. That is 1 raised to power, that is 1 plus 3x plus 9x squared plus this 1. Any number is to 1, and now 1 raised by any number is just 1. Isipokuwa 0. In fact, even 0. 1 raised to power 0 is 1. Then next we are here. Next is here. That is now 27 x cubed plus this raised to power this is going to be 81 x raised to power 4 plus 243 x raised to power 5. Now the coefficients of 5 here is 1, here is 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So this times this is going to be 1 plus this times this is going to be 15x plus 90x squared plus 270x cubed. You multiply. This times this is going to be 4 or 5 x4 plus 243 x to the power 5. So in case haujajua ku expand, we have 2 terms here, hii na hii. When we are expanding, na expand both sides, both the terms. But the first term inaanza na hii power yenye imepeana. So 1 inaanza na 5. Wakati inaanza na 5, the second term inakuwa 3x to power 0. So that this power should be 5. Then tunaongeza. The first term power yake inaenda ikidecrease kwenda this side, kwenda hii side, while this one ina increase. So 1 ilikuwa 5 itakuwa 4. 3x itakuwa raised to power 1. So hii ukiongeza hii ikuwe 5. Next hii itakuwa inapungua inaenda 4. Sorry, inaenda 3. Halafu inaenda 3x inakuwa 2. So that hii ukiongeza hii inakuwa 5 plus tunaenda hivyo mpaka mwisho. So first, how else can we write this number in the form of this? So this number is actually 1. So 1 plus 3x raised to power 5 is the same as this number. The other way we can write this one is 1 minus 0.03 raised to power 5. Hii ndio hii. Equal to 1 minus 0.03 raised to power 5. So tuna compare hii na hii na hii na hii. So inamaanisha 1 is equal to 1, that's fine. Then inamaanisha 3x is going to be equal to 0.03, meaning x we divide by 3. So x equal to 0.01. So using the first 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. So tunaenda, we want to substitute where you see this one, x, where you see x in these 4 terms, the first 4 terms, you substitute with x. So 1 plus 15x plus 90x square plus 270 x cube. So tuna substitute 1 plus 15 into 0.01 plus 90 into 0.01 square plus 270 into 0.01 cube. So this one 1 plus 1 sorry, hii ilikuwa minus. Nimeona ilikuwa negative hapa. Please usisahau hiyo venye nimesahau. Hii ilikuwa negative. So hapa inafaa kuwa negative, negative, negative. Usisahau tafadhali. 1, so hii itakuwa negative minus 0.15 plus 0.09 minus minus 0.00027. So the final answer will be 0.85873. So if you are given, expand this, then use this expansion to solve 9.8 raised to power 5. So you will expand like I have expanded here, lakini ikiwa wakati tuko na negative hapa, the first term inakuwa negative, hizi term hiyo inakuwa positive, ya pili inakuwa negative, ya tatu positive, like that ina interchange na mneo, lakini unajua kwamba the first one lazima iwe positive. Alafu ikienda hivyo. When it is negative, x minus 2x, x minus 4y. So long as it is a negative here, the first one inakuwa positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative ikienda mpaka mwisho. So here you are now, you can see the first term ni 5, the second is 0. Ikienda next, hii inapungua 4, ina increase 1. So ukiongeza hii usifike 5. Like that. So don't forget these signs here. So finally we will have this expansion like this. So here 9.8, how else can you write this 9.8 in these terms? 9. So 9, it means it is 10 minus 0.2. That's when it could give us 9.8. So this one is exactly 10 minus 0.2 raised to power 5. So now we compare this and this. So it means x is 10, negative y is equal to negative 2. So x is equal to 10, y is equal to 0.2. Now substitute the value of x and y in the expansion here, this expansion. When you substitute the value of x and y, you get this equation here, very long one. And then finally, the final answer is this 90,392. So now if you want to find out whether you are right, you just press 9.8 raised to power 5 using your calculator. It will give you this value, which is exactly this value.